Hello everyone, and welcome to the 8th devlog for Mini Golf Tycoon. I barely did anything noticeable this week because all my energy was put towards making the saving system. It's not completely done, but it works for now. I used an asset called Easy Save 3, and Joel from Moodkey helped me out a ton with all my problems, so thank you to him. What you just saw me make was this week's feature voted on by my Discord server, the castle with a working drawbridge. Remember, if you want to join, the link is in the description. It took me a lot longer than that time-lapse made it seem to make. I really like this course piece because it actually adds some challenge to the courses. Let's get back to saving. It only works if you download the game, not if you play it in the browser. But what does it do? It writes a long JSON file when you quit the game, saving everything. Then when you load it back up, it will reload all your stuff and it will still be there. It's pretty much that simple. That's sadly all I really got done this week. I'd hope to do a lot more next week, but since this devlog is so short anyway, I might as well talk about the future of the game. I've been updating the game weekly for free ever since I started development, but it's supposed to cost money. I will always keep the demo up for free, and I don't think I'm going to stop updating it just yet. I'm thinking of a good stopping point would be when I finish the research system, because after that most of the stuff I need to make is content, more course pieces, decorations, etc. By then the guest AI will be done as well as other necessary features, so maybe in around 2 months I will have a Steam page set up. The game won't be releasing anytime soon, so don't get your hopes up. I know this devlog has been really short, but I think it's about time to end the video anyway. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next week.